This is unlike anything you've ever heard. Compound interest does not build wealth. Getting your money to work for you does not build wealth. I'll show you why, and you'll finally clearly learn how real estate has really made more ordinary people wealthy than anything else right here. This is the first of 5 parts in the most important video series I've ever done. It's course level instruction, and I'm making it all free right here. It's called Real Estate Pays 5 Ways. Yes, simultaneously, and this will help you retire earlier than you ever imagined, or just find the time for yourself to become the best version of yourself. And this is just with buy and hold real estate. You don't have to be a house flipper. You don't have to be a landlord. You could just use normal 30-year mortgage loans, and it doesn't even take a ton of money. You just need to watch what I'm about to show you. And this isn't an attempt to upsell you to some paid course or product. I don't even have a single product to sell at all. I'm here to help you with the fact that there are some fundamental wealth building attributes that lay people don't understand, and this will change your life. More than 95% of real estate investors don't even understand what I'm about to share. And right off the bat, in this first video here, you're going to see how you get outsized returns in a way that you've never seen it before. I'll make you a believer, and it'll only get better because each of the 5 videos builds on itself. We'll calculate your return from the first of 5 ways today, appreciation, and then in the next 4 videos, you'll accumulate more returns from those ways. And as this series progresses, we'll calculate your cumulative return on investment until it builds up and culminates in your total return in the last video. Understand that anything less than a 20 to 25% total return in buy and hold real estate is actually disappointing, and it's not high risk. You'll see how we get to a number substantially higher than that. You're going to learn how real estate creates young money and old money and fast money and slow money, and also gives you access to other people's money ethically. Also, at the end of the last video, I have a free gift to share with you, a keepsake from this course that we're together on, so that you'll always remember how and why real estate pays 5 ways. Let's go. Hi, I'm Keith Weinhold, the Get Rich Education founder, Forbes Real Estate Council member, best-selling author, and longtime real estate investor. You know, school did little to teach you and I about the most important things in life: nutrition, relationships, or money. And you know what drives most divorces? I mean, can you guess? Is it arguments over trigonometry or English grammar or the periodic table of the elements? No, it's money problems. So the financial education in this course is going to help you solve that too. As much as anything, understand that we need to unlearn what we've learned before we can believe in something else. We're going to use this same simple example of a $200,000 income property throughout this course, a rental single-family home. Yes, you still can find many of these at this price, and it's with a rent-paying tenant. All right, say that when you buy this property, your down payment and closing costs have you putting in 25%. So you've got $50,000 invested. In this first of 5 ways you're paid, appreciation, well, historically, real estate appreciates close to 5% a year. All right, so your $200K income property appreciates to $210K. There's your 5%. That's it? I mean, that's not very thrilling, is it? That might not even be much more than the rate of inflation. Well, that's what most people think. But look at what you just did there. Do you understand? You just benefited from a force greater than compound interest. You created compound leverage, and perhaps you didn't even know it. your return is far greater than the 5% total appreciation on your asset, because your return on investment is your gain, which is 10K, divided by the amount that you have invested, which remember is just 50K. That's all that you put into this. You just got a 20% return from only the first of 5 ways that you're paid appreciation. Yeah, now if you're scratching your head wondering how that happened, no worries, I'll slow it down, and this course never gets more complicated than this. You achieved a 5% return on both your 50K invested and the 150K that you borrowed from the bank. See, the return on the bank's money doesn't go to the bank, it all goes to you, all while the tenant pays the interest on the mortgage loan. We'll get to that part in a later video. So for you, this could be your first moment of epiphany in this course, a light bulb moment. That is the magic of leverage. It's so simple. Ethically use other people's money, but most people are only getting compound interest, a return on their money only, not on theirs and others like you just did. All right, so where does appreciation come from? What's its source? Supply versus demand, an area's wage growth, population growth, a region's infrastructure improvements, the shrinking availability of developable land, and more. And what if real estate prices go down though? You're covered, that'll be addressed in a later video in this series. And we are just scratching the surface. You're starting to figure out why wealthy people's money either starts out in real estate or ends up in real estate, and how real estate makes ordinary people wealthy. And the thing is, you can do this the same simple way that I did when I began as a real estate investor, because you don't need any degree or certification or any real estate license to do this. Real estate pays 5 ways. Now that you know about the first, appreciation, leveraged appreciation in real estate's case, coming up, the second of 5 ways in this 5-part course series. For many, it is the most important one. We'll come up with another return on your investment there, and that's going to get added to the 20% from this first video that you see on the screen. As we keep building up, we keep piling on until you get the total ROI at the end of the 5th video, and you will have learned so much in life-changing value by then, concisely, and a free gift at that time too. Yes, part 2 is coming up soon. The only way you'll see it is to both click subscribe and hit the notification bell too. If you're watching this later, just click on the video popping up on your screen, and I'll see you there.